Welcome! Today, you'll learn how to use category filters to control which content appears on your map based on user selections. To activate the filters, go to Categories and scroll down to the Categories filter menu. Enable the multi-category selection option. Filters work differently depending on category levels. Let's start with single-level categories. If your map uses just one level of categories, you'll see two filter options. The Combine filter shows all locations that match at least one of the selected categories. This is the default setting. For example, if we select Chinese and pizza, in the list of results, we'll see all the locations that offer Chinese food, plus all the ones that serve pizza. The Intersect filter, on the other hand, only shows results that belong to all the selected categories. If we select coffee and burger, we'll only see the locations where we can have both coffee and burgers at the same place. Now, let's talk about multi-level categories. These include parent categories, subcategories, and you can choose how filters behave across different levels. There are three relationships you can define: between parent categories, between parent and subcategories, and between subcategories. For each of these, you can choose either a Combine or an Intersect filter, just like with the single-level categories. Let's walk through three examples to see how this works. The default settings. By default, all relationships are set to Combine. That means a location will appear if it matches any of the selected categories, subcategories, or both. For instance, if we select the residential and the 2025 subcategories, we'll see all the projects that are either residential or completed in 2025. Pro tip: with this approach, it's best not to assign locations directly to the parent categories. Instead, use only the subcategories for tagging your locations. Intersect between parent categories. This setup consists of only setting the parent categories to intersect and all others to combine. This is useful when your map needs to match multiple criteria at once. For example, this map has categories for regions and type of provider. If the user selects the Midwest and retailer subcategories, only retailers in the Midwest will appear. This setup works great when users are trying to filter down to very specific results. Please note, for this setting to work, you should only assign locations to subcategories. Intersect between parent and subcategories. For the setup, we will only set the relationship between parent and subcategories to intersect and all others to combine. Use this when your subcategories are the same across all parents and you want consistent filtering. A good example is a map of amenities across districts. Each district is a parent category, and the amenities are the subcategories. If a user selects restaurants in downtown, they'll only see restaurants in that area. If they select restaurants from multiple districts, they'll see restaurants in each selected district. And if they select the Northwest parent category and the restaurant subcategory from Old Town, they'll see all locations from Northwest, plus the restaurants in Old Town. Keep in mind, for this setting to work, locations must be assigned to both the parent and subcategories. And that's it. With the right filter settings, you can tailor how your map behaves to match exactly how users search and explore. Try it out, and if you need help, just click the chat button to reach us.